Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to Metro Diner.
So she's taking me to Metro Diner. We're gonna celebrate all day today since I hit that 100,000 subscribers. So we're gonna have breakfast and we'll show you guys what they have. What are you having?
I always know what I want when I come here, which is the croissant French toast, but I still like to look at the different stuff.
So these are the famous chicken and waffles?
Yes.
Ooh, it looks really good and that's a lot of food.
We got a whole half chicken right there.
And this is grits.
This is a 2-egg breakfast. Over easy eggs, whole wheat toast, grits, and then a side of bacon.
Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
Key lime and waffle. Key lime stuffed waffles. Okay. And French toast.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is the croissant French toast.
Sure is. I mean, what do you need, Matt? I don't have much.
I'm gonna ask her.
And you got waffles.
Yes, I got fruity waffles,
That looks really good.
and I need to get butter. This is what carbs taste like. With the fried chicken and waffle, they put the syrup
On it.
and the hot sauce, and they mix it together, and it tastes so good.
So let's taste this French toast, croissant French toast. It tastes just like a French toast with a little crunch.
So Natasha, let's play the guessing game.
What do you want me to guess?
How much it costs?
Okay, let's see. So I honestly don't remember the prices. This and this came together, right? So I'll say $12. And you got the waffles and the breakfast platter, so I'll say $12. That's $24, and then the coffee, so $30.
And their price is $29.81, and that's a tax.
And I was close.
Not bad at all.
And
So
I'm
really, it's like $12.
yeah, $12
with the coffee.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then the tax.
Okay, guys, breakfast was delicious, and I'm full, so I can't eat the rest. So if you guys are here in Florida, definitely check out Metro Diner.
They have a couple locations. This one's in Tamarac.
Okay, so this is in Tamarac. Just check by your zip code and you can find their nearest location. Bye, guys.